SSPD13, you are gorgeous. Thank you. I'm talking with my daughter. I cannot see properly. Happy Monday! I'm pretty fine. Happy Monday, Laya and SSPDY. Happy Monday. I'm still Sunday here. In India now, it's 11:33 a.m. around here. Here it's 9 a.m. in the morning. 10 p.m. in USA, California. Yeah, it's still Sunday. Happy Sunday. Happy Sunday, SSPDY. Bibisitahin ko yung bata mamaya pa yun magising. 10 pa. Ay kung magtatambay ako kila Rama, wala pa yun. Uwi nila 10:30. Happy Sunday. Enjoy your day. Same to you, SSPDY. Happy Sunday. SSPDY from Laya. You're welcome, SSPDY. Thank you for coming. Laya, thank you for coming. Enjoy. I'm wearing like this now because it is cold now. Bay, sana pag magpadara na akong 15, tanganing may sintabo ka mo sa Christmas. It is my pleasure, pretty. Laya, thanks a lot, Laya. Happy Monday. Thanks a lot. Mag-end na ako, guys. Guys, already 1 hour. Thank you for watching. See you later. Maybe I'll do again after my work. I'll do my live streaming. Thank you so much and have a blessed Monday, everyone.